So it's really only a few reasons that people skip A+. Number one is listening to the wrong people, having wrong information. Number two, having an ego, thinking, oh, I don't need this. And number three, just lacking patience, not understanding that building a strong foundation is going to make things way easier. Network Plus, Security Plus, CEH, CCNA, whatever you're trying to do, whatever your ultimate goal is, A+ will make that go so much easier to obtain so much quicker. So a lot of times people that skip A+, is what happens. They go for a higher level cert and they completely fail it. They completely bomb and it's over with. They go back to a warehouse, they go back to their job, they go back doing whatever they were doing before. They go back to military, healthcare, whatever they were doing, they go back to it because like, okay, this can't be it. Everybody told me to get the certification and I failed it so miserably. I don't understand what the hell is going on. That's another thing. A lot of people that's joining our programs, they are a little skeptical about A+. Like, I don't know. But when I was trying to study for Security Plus, or I was trying to study for CCNA, or when I was trying to figure out this, I didn't understand nothing. None of the shit it was, what it was talking about. That's the reason. You can't get your fucking master's degree if you don't have a high school diploma, right? You got to have the basics. You got to fully understand what's going on, right? You can't know how to, 360 dunk if you don't even know how to do a layup, right? You can't knock somebody out if you don't know how to jab, throw a right hook. You get the point. You got to have the basics. You have to have the fundamentals in tech and life in general for things to go really smooth for you. Another thing is this. Even if somehow you squeak past and you pass these higher level certifications, a lot of these people that didn't get the skills along the way and don't understand the basics, they are going to bomb the interview. Because guess what they're going to be asked you in the interview? Some basic shit, just to make sure, okay, let me make sure that this person understands what's going on. Let me make sure that this person is who they say they are, right? And then we can get into more complex stuff. But if you don't even understand the basics, there's no point of us even talking to them anymore. And I have real world examples of this, right? I have a student that the only thing that he was interested in was Security Plus. Nothing else. Nada. I want Security Plus. That's it. I don't want to talk about nothing else. And I told him, look, to join our Zero to IT Pro program, you got to get A+ first. It ain't no conversation. It ain't no, this is a dictatorship. This ain't a goddamn democracy, right? And he was like, I guess, man, because I want to get into the program, blah, blah, blah. And from day one, the first day he signed up, right? He was like, Rob, I'm going through this stuff. And I just want to say thank you because I didn't know none of this stuff. And I said, yeah, I know. A+ is so much more complex. A+ is so much more than what, a lot of people give it credit for, especially, with all the advances and stuff. Like I said, any facet of tech that you can think about is on A+. So anyway, what happened with him is this. So he went through the A+ stuff. He got certified in 30 days, right? Once he got to Security Plus, which is a part of the program, he said it was easier than Security Plus. I mean, easier than A+. I said, no. It ain't easier. It's just that you done got used to it, right? You got the foundations and it just seems repetitive. They're like, okay, I already know this stuff, right? But it's not that you actually know it. It's just that you've seen it before. You have the right mindset. You know how to troubleshoot. You got the methodology. You already got the confidence from passing, right? So understand that. This isn't just something that I, pulled out my damn, I don't want to say it like that, but this ain't just something I pull out the sky, right? This is, real world stuff, right? It's going to make your journey so much easier. Whatever your end goal is, A+ will make that goal a lot easier. So let's not just end the story there, right? So when he was going from A+ to Network Plus, before he even finished Security Plus, he actually landed a support role, right? So he landed a support role that was remote, which was awesome for him because he had kids and a life and all this other stuff. So that's possible for him, just with A+. And it's the same thing is possible for you. If you have, the right skills, you have the right mentorship, blah, 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 like I said 1,000 times. It's hard to do this, right? Even with, my team, even with, people, even with my mentorship, this is not easy, right? But doing it on your own makes it feel damn near impossible. So I would strongly suggest that, you get around some people and you get around a mentor that can actually help you through this, right?